Hey everyone, this is Avinash. Recently, I found out a really cool trick about how to download the model checkpoint directly to the Udacity server. Yes, you don't have to download the model checkpoint computer and then upload it or anything. So we are going to directly download it to the Udacity's workspace. I have already written a really elaborate tutorial on this. The link will be in the description. You can check that out. In the first part of the tutorial, I showed how to save the model checkpoint to the Google Drive, and this video is the second part where I'm going to show you how to download this saved checkpoint to the Udacity server. So make sure you have already downloaded the classifier, the model checkpoint to your Google Drive. And if you don't know how to do that, I have check out my previous video. The link will be in the description. So I'm going to run the commands from here. Uh, Now we need to download this saved file from the Google Drive to the Udacity's workspace. To do that, we need to write a script. Either we can edit this existing one or we can create a new one. I prefer to create a new one, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I'm gonna call it as downloader. Okay, so I'm going to install this package. Once done, uh, okay, yeah, so now we have installed the package. uh, to be able to download this file directly on the Udacity, first we need to make this file as public. To do that, right click on this, click on the get shareable link. Once done, copy the shareable link. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. Notice this ID part. Now, okay, now I'm going to save this ID in a variable. Okay, next, we are going to just run this, and this should be able to download the classifier file in the workspace. As you can see, the classifier is being downloaded and it's already saved. Now we'll go back and verify that whether it's saved or not. Yes, you can see the model checkpoint has been saved, and you can use this directly in your notebook. Make sure the path is home, workspace, and the file name. That's it. I wish you all the best for your lab project. And if you have any ideas and if you want to brainstorm, feel free to contact me on the Slack. Thank you.